Which type of dryer is best for you, electric or gas? If you have option to buy gas or electric dryer, first consider the pros and cons of electric dryer and gas dryer. Both are different in many aspects like cost, usability, installation, efficiency, and cost to use. Now we discuss one by one. First, we discuss the cost of electric and gas dryers. Dryers has different types of cost like upfront, installation, and usage. Usually, the gas dryer upfront cost is $100 more than electric model. Electric dryer consume more power, so its running cost is higher as compared to gas dryers. Gas dryer also cost installation fees and maintenance is also costly than electric dryer. The next is energy consumption. A gas dryer is more energy efficient and cost half as compared to electric model. In electric dryer, electrical energy is converted into heat and it is also lost in this process. On the other hand, gas is simply burnt in gas burner. If you have solar panel for electricity, then electric dryer is best option. Otherwise, a gas dryer is more energy efficient and cost effective. Next, time take to dry clothes. A gas dryer dry clothes faster as compared to electric because it heat up quickly. Gas is more efficient and cost effective. It takes less time to dry clothes. In electric dryer, its element take more time to heat. Next, we discuss safety. An electric dryer is safer than gas. In gas dryer, also safe if installed well. Gas leakage and carbon monoxide is also an issue for gas dryer. If you use a gas detector and vented gas outside well, then gas dryer is also a safe option. Electric dryer is more durable and lifespan is also higher 1 to 2 years as compared to gas dryer. It's best for clothes. A gas dryer dry clothes in few cycles as compared to electric. A gas dryer does not harm and is gentle to fabrics because they take less time and dry clothes at a specific temperature. Always buy a gas dryer that has electronic sensors like drying and moisture sensors. Dryer will automatically shut down when clothes reach dryness. Your decision may depend upon which type of connection you have. If you have both type of connection and flexibility to buy a gas or electric dryer, before buying a dryer, you must consider family size, budget, and all above features. A gas dryer may cost higher while buying, but it is more cost effective in long terms. You must buy a gas dryer. We suggest you a gas and electric dryer. Links are given in description.